how to link PayPal to GCash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will guide you how you can link your PayPal account to GCash. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have a fully verified GCash account and also a payment account or the PayPal account. Now to link PayPal to GCash, you have to open up GCash application, log in into your account. Make sure that your GCash account is fully verified. Once you're logged in, from the home screen, tap on your profile, which you will find at the top left or the bottom right. Search for your profile icon and then tap on it. Then from the options, tap on linked accounts. Then you will have an option to select PayPal. Now to link your PayPal, tap on option to link your account. Then you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email address. After that, tap on link. Then you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal login credentials. Then also you have to grant the permissions for the GCash to access your PayPal. After successful login, you will be redirected back to GCash, and once you're done linking, you should see your PayPal account listed as linked accounts in the GCash, and it may take a few minutes to activate the link. That's it, and that's how you can link your PayPal to GCash, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.